You're making this awkward. I'm gonna get creative when it comes to the missing part and hello and welcome our fellow amateurs. Today's video is a shot in the dark. Well, we went to the store and I had plans to make things, but they didn't have those things that we had planned for me to make, and then I started panicking and just tossing whatever I could find in the cart.
It's a bad time to ask for a wallet back.
So then I started panic crying, kind of like his wallet, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna make a Christmas and Thanksgiving wreath, and that's what we're doing today. For today's craft, we will need wreath outline, some ribbons, if I get in the frame, garlic, and whatever designs you like. I thought these were pretty inside the store, so I got them, and of course I had to get my little scarecrow guys. They're so cute. Yeah. And also, zip ties. You're making this awkward. This will be my first attempt of actually making one. I watched my mom make them when I was little, but at the same time, it was just like a little round thing, and she just like wrapped shiny things around it. And I'm like, yeah, this is neat. So I'm gonna attempt to make one myself. So what I'm gonna do is, for the first part, I was watching a video, but I'm really impatient, so I only watched like 2 seconds, which is not a good thing. But what I saw was you take 2 of these, 2 of your ribbons, and you get them tight together like this. You find a spot on your little circle doohickey, and use a zip tie, and zip it around, and this is supposedly how you get it started. My teeth. It sounds like that cat said subscribe. I could be wrong. Alright, then we're going to clip the extra off. So then they said another good thing was to loop it. And then we're going to clip it again. So you want a little half circle thing, just to make little loops. So then we take another zip tie, put it around it. This seems like it's gonna take forever. This hopefully is not another rage video. Hopefully. But we're gonna take this, zip it here, bring it down. It's a thing! We'll take the extra, snip it off. And then it's just to continue. Just keep going over and over. Take the 2, make another loop. And I started on the outer edge, the very first one, right here. We just made another loop, and we're going to take another zip tie, and then loop it again. Okay, so right now, of both, and I have 2 more, but it's supposed to be for the second layer. So note to everyone out there, if you go to the store, get a few of these because it doesn't last that much. Look at this is what I got so far. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to start on the second layer and start filling things in, and hopefully it turns out for the best. I'm going to start on the second layer, but what you do is you repeat everything you did here, but I'm doing it for the middle one now. So I'm going to get started. Okay, this is what it should look like. Well, actually it should look better than this, but I ran out of stuff, so now it's time to get super creative. We have some of this little garland, but literally everything there was just about this long, so I would say double or even triple what you get from there, because you don't get that much. Because this is 4 things of the ribbon. So what I want to do is wrap some of this around it, and then once I wrap this around it, what I want to do, or what you should do, is start to fill it. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. First, so take another one of these strings. There's a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little hole. So I'm going to put it right here where the little bracket is. Let me get close. I swear I had pants on when I started. Okay. Camera, there's little bars right there. There's a little circle. So what I want to do is get one of the strings, put it through the circle, and loop it around the little bracket so it stays. Okay, it is now secure. So what I want to do is take it around and just kind of fill it in. So take certain sections and wrap it, maybe around the back, because now that I noticed it, I can just loop it around these little loops right here. And this is just to make it look thicker. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just looping over around the little bow areas. And then we're gonna pull those to make them look bigger. Okay, I'm gonna find another bracket. And I'm gonna take another one of these strings. And on the other side, there's another hole. So what I want to do is the same thing we did on the other side and loop it so it stays. Okay. And I'm gonna get close again. Ooh, this is actually turning out pretty good. I'm gonna get creative when it comes to the missing part, and you'll see that in a little bit. But what we wanna do now is just kind of stretch it, make it look fuller. Stretch it any way you want, just kind of tug and pull. Move things. Don't put it in the same direction. It looks much better when you pull from different sides. So that's what we're doing right now. Grab, tug, pull, and then blend. And you do that for the entire part, or the entire wreath itself. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after fluffing. I still have this little bald area that I am planning on fixing right now. So what I want to do is take one of my flowers, put it in this area, and then pull it to the side. I'm gonna show you the back. Right here, put it just like this. So when I put the string on, I can just snap it like this so it fits perfectly without any of these parts bulging or sticking out. Take it around right here. Pull. So it fits nicely. See? That'd be like a little plug-in area. And then we take the extra part, just like we have with all the others, and cut it off. Now, it's still looking bald. It's kind of like when I did that other rage video and I was pulling out my hair and I had little patches. We just gonna fix that up, okay? So, take our next one, whichever one you think you like the most. Depends, you could even use a few of them. I might end up using all three depending on how bad the baldness is. It's not bad. What do you guys think? Put that right there, that bad boy right there. Do like you did to the other one. And we will just strap it in. And that's what that looks like right there. So what I'm gonna do next, I have a few more pieces. I have my little cute little scarecrows. I don't know why I've been so into them this year. Usually I'm all about Halloween, but I'm feeling Thanksgiving today. This past week. But I'm gonna put these and plug them into the little bald areas, and I'll show you how it looks like when I get done. Guys, look! I love it! I think I did so good. I'm like, Mom, look, you can be proud of me again. Right here, look at that. Bam. And that's me doing this for the first time and just trying to wing it. Didn't have what I could find at the store, but I made it work. And that's how easy some of these things can be. Sometimes it's just grabbing some tinsels, some designs, and putting it together and looking at what you think looks good and making it yourself. And I can be proud of it. This is probably, let's see, $4, $5, $6, about $7. Still probably expensive, but again, it's one of those things where you can make it look the way you want. I'm pretty sure if I put more money into it, it would have looked better, but I didn't, so bam. Leave a like, comment. Okay, so this is how I did. I really love it. I actually love it. I thought this was going to be like a rage video, but I kept my calm. I'm actually proud of myself. And I got something really pretty out of it. Look, guys. So let me know if you think this is a to-do or a snafu. If it's a snafu, you are terrific. I like this. But please like, comment, subscribe, and join our subreddit at amateursattempting_craft. And also join all of our other social medias. You know, spread the word. You know, videos will get better, I promise. The acting will get better over time. I've seen other videos, you know, YouTubers, and first off, they're really cringy. And I saw mine, and I was like, oh no. But they'll get better, guys, I promise. The acting and the art. Subscribe. Thank you.